No, Glen Mills has the distinction of coaching 4 men who went on to become 100-meter world champions. Now, the latest being a former Calabar standout oblique Seville who gave the athletics world a scare in his heat on Saturday. But Mills says it was part of the plan.
Oblique Seville launched himself into history under the guidance of Glen Mills, who was confident Seville would be at the top of the podium. However, Mills says while Seville ran a personal best to 9.77 seconds, there were issues with the first half of his race.
I am extremely elated that finally he has been rewarded with his effort. He had been to the final on several occasions, both Olympics and World Championship, and he has just narrowly missed getting some kind of reward in terms of medal. However, that has never deterred me because watching the race, it's amazing watching him in the finish because his first half of the race was one of the poorest I've seen. But his determination, he would not be denied.
Mills says he told Seville it was going to take some time and it was work in progress to get him to where he is now.
When I started working with him, I remember telling him that, look here, son, you're not going to be at your best until you mature around 24, based on what we were working with and all the things I had to do. Along the years, he has had many challenges health-wise, which he's still battling with. But his ability is undoubtedly world-class, and I have done tremendous amount of work with him. It has taken all my experience and knowledge to really get him and keep him going.
Prior to winning the final, Seville recovered from a poor start to finish third and move on to the semi-final round. But Mills says he wasn't perturbed.
He has been struggling with some medical problem. Every now and then, especially after he warms up, the problem occurs, similar to what happened at the trial. So he decided that he was not going to push off at the block in fear that his calf may grab him. Those are his words. And so he came out gentle and then run to qualify. I wasn't worried when I minus his reaction time and add his normal reaction time. It comes out to a 9.77 effort. So I told him, look, don't worry about the condition. You know it's going to happen. Put it behind you and, put your best foot forward and concentrate and perform into your best level.
With the 4 men's world 100 meters champions under his belt, Kim Collins in 2003, Usain Bolt in 2009, 2013 and 2015, Johan Blake in 2011, and now Seville, Mills was very secure in his answer in rating himself as a coach.
My confidence in what I can do and who I am is impregnable, is as solid as a rock. And personally, I think I am the best and probably the best there is because of the limitations of facilities and equipment and all the scientific things that one has to compete against. I think the job that I'm able to do with all the people that I've worked with, etc., is just absolutely fantastic. And I thank God for the gift that He has given me.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.